first you take a big mug, put some oil inside, grease the inside of the mug. Then you need an egg, then Nutella or something that looks like it, to your choice. Quarter cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and about half a cup of flour. And you mix everything together. Then once everything is mixed, you're gonna cook it in the microwave. So about it depending, maybe 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Depending on the quantity of your mix. So you see, this is what it looks like after 2 minutes. And I put like 3 minutes and something, and that was too much, so I had to stop it before the end. And this is what it looks like. It's sort of a cupcake. And you know what? If you forgot to buy a cake for somebody's birthday, well, there you have it. Just add a candle. It takes you less than 10 minutes. That's pretty easy to do. And it is tasteful. You could add sugar if you wish. I didn't put any sugar in the recipe, but you can add a little bit of sugar if you want, or whipped cream or whatever. Enjoy!